Originally a single wheel 3500. GVWR on this thing's 9,900 pounds. That means you do not have to put all those stickers on it, even if you put a flatbed back there, is what a lot of guys do. A lot of guys. Well, yep. What a story this is right here. Headed home, got Taylor and the boy in the back. Just went to my dad's house, had dinner with him. We're headed out of town tomorrow, so we need to go home and get packed in the truck. Through a check engine light, and sounds like it's running on half the cylinders. And funny thing is, I just went and paid the AAA card today. I don't know if they'll tow this, but I'm 10 minutes from the house, so I'm just gonna go home and get the gooseneck. But I debated on non-op in this truck because I never use it. And then this happens, so I'm gonna get her cranked up, run 2 cylinders or whatever, and try if I can park over there or something, get out of the way, maybe back up or something. Yeah. Sounds lovely. Sounds like a 7.3 trying to piss its pants. I think it's a loose wire, or we just ditched an injector. There, just came back for a second. Here. Well, apparently you put it in reverse and it helps it. Here, I'm on the background. We got the fuel corruption light on, which that thing it's got a fast, so it don't even matter. I was parked up there, backed her up in a hurry, started acting up again, so I threw in the clutch and coasted her to here. It'll be a good spot. I got a cab light out. Good spot to leave it so I can go get 5,500. Now it's running fine. They like it goes in and out. No, I'm not gonna 12 valve swap this shit. Don't even think about it. It's stupid. I'm not trying to derate my truck. Now it's back alive. If it was just me, I'd just ghost this thing home. But got fam in there, so we can do that shit. I was running out of stuff to do tonight.
Listen to the drill?
Dude, I thought about buying a Ford earlier, and then, well, here it is.
It's enough to break the Dodge down.
Dude, I almost hit the freaking red button to cancel paying the registration on this thing earlier and non-opping it. And I was like, you know what? Been through a lot. Let's go through some more. My first official breakdown as
I don't think I've...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I might have had a hiccup on the side of the road, but made it home every time.
Yeah, well, if it was just me, I think I would have just... We could get there. It would take a little while, but I figured I don't want this thing...
pulled up and her phone started playing whatever he was watching.
Yeah.
Like, I'm Peppa Pig.
You like Elmo? Elmo. Yeah. That energy kick and a hydration attempter. The cat came down here. Tail's not up all the way. All right, so... Maybe it was all the way. It was right there. I could call tow company and spend 6 hours waiting on those to show up. Here, put that. Callahan always steals that. But I'll just take care of it myself. Got Thomasaurus with me too. You know, he's gonna push it on the trailer if it, I don't have the winch. It better run when we get there.
So, hey man, that looks like a Dodge. Let's see if it's for sale. It's on the side of the road.
I'll tell you what.
I know it's not broke down.
Yeah, whatever the problem or issue or price on this thing is, we're gonna take it home no matter what. It looks like this is potential to flip a U-bird right here.
Big lot. It's nice and open.
Good thing it's not, you know, middle of the day. Look clear enough. Clear enough for the girls we date. How you doing, truck? At least it looks good. I'll give it that. That is a good side of the truck and everything. How you doing? Get on the truck. Hey, back up. Clip it with the trailer. How you doing? We'll give it the real good chance. We'll back right up to it. It better, you know, at least go out with honor and drive its ass up on that trailer. Oh, we got that light right there, so we can really make a video Quality. Can't see nothing. It's emergency stuff.
Makes sense. Running fine now. Whatever.
Probably drive home just fine.
Unload it. Well, we're here. We're gonna tow it home. We ain't gonna risk it. Runs perfectly fine. You know what the problem was? Taylor's bringing her witchcraft down on me.
You know what I was thinking? I'm like, Sam hasn't bought a new truck and put it on a trailer in a while. Maybe he just,
Yeah, I know. This cracking the urge right there.
some game you guys decided to play where you just bring home another truck.
Yeah. No, that's how I talked myself out of a side-by-side the other day. I sold my other one for really cheap, so I didn't have to buy one. I was like, I just got a good deal on this side-by, $2 grand. Sucker probably paid $8 for it back in the day. At least close the hood that way in case it does have a chance of living again. We didn't, rip the hood off driving.
No hood deletes. Oh, you see that? That dude's like,
He saw us broken.
man,
We got hurt.
that's the first time a Ford's ever seen a Dodge broke down on the side of the road.
Broke his neck going.
Saw it right, dude. Saw it. It's running good now.
Yeah.
This is just a, race truck.
And put the race truck on the trailer. You don't drive the race truck. All right, we'll get it strapped down and get home. Jesus. Yep, nope, definitely that thing's staying on there. I want to give a little bit for the camera here. This truck, it's got 338,000 miles on it. We owned it for 8 years. And over the last 2 years, it's done what it's doing tonight, low key just for a little bit, and it would snap itself out of it. But you'd always have to clear the codes. And what I've done, and I feel like it's just, it's getting weak voltage from the battery, getting corrosion and stuff, because it's been parked up for a while. I actually had to jump start it a couple days ago to get it when we went out to town with it. But I ended up cleaning the battery terminals and it fixed it. And now you saw it ran like hell. Didn't want to drive it home with kid in the back. So as soon as it loaded up on the trailer, it started running perfectly fine. Codes are still there. So address that. I don't want people thinking, oh, your injectors are dead. This thing, up until I bought more 12 valves, this was like the most consistent starting, best running truck that I had. Not saying the rest weren't consistent, but this thing just, every time it started on the same revolution, just boom. But anyway, everybody comment below. Say thank you, Tommy, for going and getting Taylor's car with the car seat and everything. Come pick us all up, bringing me over to the house so I can get this and towed it home. Hanging a dual on the other side, but anyway, that's getting on an airplane tomorrow, so that's what I needed the night before. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. This thing's gonna be sitting there for a little while. Not for sale. Definitely not. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Check out what the old cowboy won at the rodeo. Dude, that is sick. Cowboy up. Dude, I can't believe he freaking won that in the raffle. Oh, that's actually got some sweet details in it. Nice. What a score.